In regards to the ergonomics, I just wanted to share with you some insights. In one hand, I have the Elipar S10 from 3M, and on my other hand, I have the Coltolux Comfort from COLTENE. Now, the first thing that I want you to look at is just the size of these curing units. You can tell which one weighs more. This one right here, 250 grams. The Coltolux Comfort, 77 grams. The second thing that I want to say is that it only has one button to activate, so it's very simple, very easy. All you have to do is click that button and you'll get that light going for a 20-second cycle. You will hear two beeps, one beep at 10 seconds and then the second and final beep at the 22nd when the light will turn off. Now, the other thing that I like about it is that when you're not using the light will go dormant. And all you have to do is just click that button once, you'll have a green LED light turn on, and now you're ready to rock and roll. You're ready to see more patients, you're ready to do more dentistry. And that's really what we're all doing in our offices.